is YouTube fans, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing... Oh, now I'm off my headphones. Yay. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a custom thumbnail. Now, I'm doing this because there are people out there who just start out YouTube and like, okay, how do I attract viewers? Well, one of the main ways to do that is getting custom thumbnails. And like, okay, well then how do I get custom thumbnails? Well, there's more than one app I recommend, obviously. Actually, I'm actually, no. Sorry, Candy Crush, Soda Slugger. I'll be right back when I get all the apps I recommend. Okay, we're back. Actually, have all the apps I recommend. First off, YouTube Studio. Second off, Adobe Photoshop. Third off, Thumbnail Maker for YouTube. And finally, this one right over here that I'm circling with this. When you got, thank you, grandfathers. Anyways, the app you really need is YouTube, obviously. And thank you all so much for 51 subscribers. We hit that. We hit 51 today. Last night, Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday at midnight. We hit it. So. No, it's Tuesday at midnight, but we hit it after. I don't know, it's complicated, but we're gonna get to this already. So I'm gonna get rid of my thumbnail now. Alright, so first things first. We're gonna start off and pick one of the ones we like. So we're gonna pick between Thumbnail Maker, Adobe, and Autodesk SketchBook. Now we're going to do the most easiest one first and the most complicated, so this is clearly the most easiest. Half the time it doesn't even load. It can load now. I'm going to mute my television so I can have moments of silence. Go on. Yay. Okay then, that's not going to load the first time. You could load. Load. I'll be back when it loads, guys. Alright, so we are here, and the last time I made was the one from Mesa Graph. Actually, so this one's pretty easy, I guess. It's not that complicated. You remember brush up there. Alright, so first thing you should do is, like, look around for things. Like, okay, so you could save it, you could add, not ads. What I recommend to do no ads is to have the Wi-Fi off. So that's what I recommend. But anyways, you can crop and add pictures, as regular add pictures, you can add text, and you can change the background. I personally love doing the backgrounds, which is like... Just do this and you have an awesome video. And play it in the end cat. Okay, I'll stop now. Okay, so first up, for this video... the thumbnail we're doing in this video, it's actually the thumbnail for, the current video. So the video you're watching would have the thumbnail we're making in the video. Now, you guys can make your own custom thumbnails, but this is just a tutorial. So, yeah. Alright, so first off, what you gotta do is you can either come around here and look for these, which I did for last time, or you can pick from here and do like this, which I personally love. If you look really closely, you can see little teeny tiny little squares, so this thumbnail is actually gonna be a little like dark. It looks like vomit. Now we're gonna do like a little writing, like about there. We're gonna to here. So that's the color we're gonna do for this one. It's vibrant. Now we're gonna go to. We're gonna add some text. Alright, so the text we're going to add is how to, I'm sorry, I'm thinking of memes. Create and add thumbnails. How to create and add thumbnails. So we're going to add that. Then you can pick a different text style, which I personally, there's 80 text styles. Now you want one that stands out pretty well, like this one. See that one? See side result. Okay. Or you can do one that's hard to read. No. We're gonna do. This one was basic on basic. And this is where you get to change the text stuff. Last time I didn't do it like that. I picked colors for my last thumbnail, I believe. So let's see. Well, this one looks very interesting. So when I was like that, so I definitely want to be 3-dimensional. No, alright. Da, 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 da. Okay, then I'm gonna turn it a little like this. Turn it like that so it's a little viewable. You definitely want to be bold. Then the text stuff, you want to leave it the same. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's the outline of it. If you want an outline, make it very thin, though. Okay, if you want an outline, definitely change the colors so it kind of blends. I'm gonna go with this color, but that definitely looks like shadows. Okay, that's all fine. And boom. Now you can still like minimize it and stuff and move it around. Then you want to, if you want to crop and add pictures, you can, which I'm personally not going to because I'm not getting that advanced. If you guys want to like this video and like tell me if you guys want an advanced version, you can add different icons and yeah. So this is the saved draft. You can download this. Blah blah blah. Yes. Okay, I didn't know I could glitch it like that. Speaking of glitches, we're gonna have a Super Mario Odyssey glitch video coming up very, very soon on this channel because I discovered a lot of glitches, and yeah, I definitely want to get to saving those. No, I don't want ads. I definitely want to get to those glitches before they go to 3.0. Anyways, that was thumbnail maker. Now we're gonna go to this one. Because this one's like drawing, so if you guys want, this is like technically not an art video. But, oh yeah, I was gonna draw a face. New sketch, please. So we're gonna go to custom, and, I forgot. I'm thinking of banner, because, I mean, I'm starting an art channel, so, like, God forbid you need a banner, so. Alright, just so you guys know, the banner length is not that. This by this. That's the banner length for YouTube. This is what banner will look like, but we can minimize it to thumbnails, I think. I can go ahead and crop it. Now, first off, I'm going to move my thing down here. I'm going to get rid of this guy. Oh, yeah. Look at that down there. You can see. Oh my god. That's so cool. That Pokeball. Go. Art supplies. I choose you. Ta-da. Alright, so actually, I didn't know that was actually down there. I just poked my eye out. I didn't poke it out. I'm fine, but I just poked my eye. For the first time, God knows how many years. Alright, so we're going to add text. So let's add how to. I'm just going to do voice text thing. Add and create. Okay, that didn't work. Create and add thumbnails. Ta-da! Now I'm not going to put that for YouTube. Now let's get the text style. Seraphy normal. Hey, semi-normal. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks promising. And let's get the colors. this color like right here is kind of standing out, so I'm gonna mix it like right to here. Oh, I love curving. Too bad I don't have the color pencils. Why? Blueberry. Definitely. Oh, this color looks pretty good. Oh, wonderful. Sorry about that little cut there, guys. Anyways, we got this down. No, I think I forgot what this is. Okay, that's that. So we can. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling this one. I'm definitely feeling this one. I'm definitely feeling this one. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, get rid of that now. Now it's perfect. Alright, so this one you can actually add little annotations, not annotations, little drawings, but not that advanced. Not that advanced. Now this one you can actually fill in the background, which I am going to do. It's gotta find the settings. There's no fill. How could I continue? Fill, yes there is. Alright, so let's do the color. Ooh. I'm definitely liking this one. Oh, looks awesome. And all those little areas, I'm gonna do like the darker version, like that color is a little darker. Just gotta zoom in and hit that and get that. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. No. I'll fix that in a second. This is getting way too out of hand, peoples. I forgot what color we use. I think it was aqua. One. No! Ugh. There's no way to redo it. There's no way to redo it. Oh. Great. Last brush, last color, transparent color, flip canvas. Yeah, doesn't. Yeah. This is our thumbnail, I guess. This is for this. I mean, I'm not saying this is a really good app, guys. No joke. I highly recommend this app. But I just failed a lot. Now onto the more advanced stuff. Adobe Photoshop. They're like, oh, what's Adobe Photoshop? Well, Photoshop, my friends, it gets complicated. I mean, it's complicated. Okay, so I turned myself into a meme right here. For those of you guys who know the meme has never went to the Uber driver meme, I turned myself into a meme because I have horrifying pronunciation. Why did I back out of the app? Oh yeah, with Adobe, you need to have a background and everything set. So first you have to go to Google, download non-copyrighted stuff, free uncopyrighted backgrounds, and the whole shenanigans. So we'll have a whole separate video for Adobe. Now you gotta go to YouTube Studio, and actually why am I doing this now? Actually, so see I have the Matricraft. I'm just gonna use Matricraft as my thing. So first off, hashtag so depressing. Estimated revenue views. Watch 10 minutes. So what you want to do is hit this little pen crayon, pencil thing, whatever you want to call it. Then you hit thumbnail. Then you hit change if you want to add custom, and you hit recent, and then the whole 9 yards. So that's that, and then yeah. I should turn my face cam back on. Alright, we're good. Thank you all so much for watching this little quick tutorial video, and I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye!